Ever found yourself lying in bed, exhausted, but your mind won't stop racing? Replaying embarrassing moments from years ago while you desperately try to sleep? While you struggle, some people wake up with insane energy after just a few hours. The secret isn't more sleep, it's the quality and efficiency of your rest. Today, I'll show you the system to transform your sleep and your life. Most people treat sleep as a waste of time or a last resort. But sleep is the fuel for your intelligence, creativity, and physical health. If your sleep is poor, your entire day is ruined before it starts. Your body doesn't sleep in one block. It follows 90-minute cycles. Waking up during deep sleep makes you feel groggy and tired all day. The goal is to wake up at the end of a full cycle. Aim for exactly 6 hours or 7.5 hours for the best results. To master this, you must follow the golden 3-2-1 rule every night. 3 hours before bed, stop eating to let your digestion rest. 2 hours before bed, stop working and clear your professional mind. 1 hour before bed, turn off all screens and avoid blue light. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it is still daytime. If your thoughts are still racing, try the simple mind dump technique. Write down every worry and task on paper before you lie down. This gives your brain permission to shut down and finally relax. Close your laptop, put away your work phone, and let your mind unwind. 1 hour before sleep, banish all screens from your sight. The blue light emitted by phones and tablets actively suppresses melatonin production. Melatonin is your body's natural sleep hormone, signaling it's time to rest. Creating a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment is also paramount. Ensure your bedroom temperature is between 18 to 20 degrees Celsius for ideal sleep. Block out all light sources, even small LEDs, as they can disrupt your sleep. Consider using blackout curtains or a comfortable eye mask for total darkness. If external noise is an issue, invest in earplugs or a white noise machine. For those with a racing mind, the mind dump technique is a game changer. 10 minutes before bed, grab a notebook and pen. Write down every single thought, worry, or task that comes to mind. Transferring these thoughts to paper signals to your brain that they are handled. This simple act gives your mind permission to finally relax and drift off. Another powerful tip: establish a consistent bedtime and wake-up time. Even on weekends, try to stick to a similar schedule to regulate your circadian rhythm. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun helps reset your internal clock and mood. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun helps reset your internal clock and mood. Instead, place your alarm clock across the room, forcing you to get up. Consider a gentle alarm sound that gradually increases, rather than a jarring noise. Remember, sleep is not a weakness. It is your most potent tool for success. Investing in your sleep is investing in your focus, creativity, and overall well-being. Implement these strategies tonight and witness a profound transformation in your life. Share this video with anyone who struggles with sleep or wants to unlock their full potential. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful insights. Join our community as we continue to upgrade our best selves, one habit at a time. See you in the next video, where we'll explore another secret to peak performance,